Hello and welcome back. Well, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about auto layout and how to convert that into a component and how to use those components from the asset tab. So before I start anything else, let's just create a simple button. So I'll just create a button first, a simple rectangle. The rectangle is on top of the text, so I'll just right click and send it back. So it's now the text is on top of it. Select both and click auto layout. Great. So let's fix the padding first, very randomly, and I'll just select it in the center align. Great. I'll give it a color. Great. I'll make it white as well. Maybe I'll give it a simple, very slight border radius as well. And let's rename it to button. Great. My button is ready now. It's an auto layout, and now I'll convert it into a component. So there is three ways to convert it into a component. The first way is just right click on it and you will see an option called create component. So you can click on it, or you can use the keyboard shortcut as it mentioned here, Ctrl Alt K, or the simple one is you can just select your auto layout and just click on it that says create component. Great, now it's a component now, and I'll get back to the assets a bit later. Before I do that, I'll create another auto layout. Just select all of these items. These are going to be navigation items. I'll click on the auto layout and I'll select center. No margins or paddings required, but instead of spacing mode packed, I'll select space between. So the space between is now auto, and again I'll convert it into a component. Let's rename this to nav. That's all. Okay, so now the beauty of component is you can use your component multiple times from your asset tab, and you will find your components right here. So all you have to do, just drag and drop your component into your design, and I'll do the same for this as well. So now the beauty of the component is if you change the mother element just like that, your child element will also change. Let's do that again. Let's say I want to change the color of this button, and as you can see, I'm changing the color of this mother element and the child element automatically changed. And all you have to do, just use this from the asset tab in multiple pages. No matter how many pages there are and how many buttons there are, all you have to do, if there is any kind of correction in the button design or the navigation button design or anything else, if it is a component, all you have to do, just change the mother component and every other child component will be changed, and your life would be a easier and simple life. So thanks a lot for watching and happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.